How to create Amazon seller account. So if you want to create an Amazon seller account, then first of all, open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser, and now on the search bar, search for Amazon seller account. And after searching, click on the first search. And here you will have an option which says try for free. You can click on that. And now if you want to create an account, first you have to enter your email address and then you have to create a password, and after creating that you have to re-enter your password to confirm it. And after entering your email and password, you can click on get started, and that's how you create an account. But if you already have an account, then you can click on login and then you can log into your account. So for now, let's enter the email address and then enter password. And now after entering, click on get started, and you have to choose your main marketplace. And after choosing your marketplace, click on these boxes so that you will accept the terms and conditions. And after that, you can click on connect. And that's it. That's how you create Amazon seller account. And now you can go and log into your account and use your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.